Good boy, Oscar. Good boy for pig. Good boy. Let's go over here.
Hi, Alec.
Hi, Danny.
I feel like eating some snow.
No, Danny, no, don't. You better don't.
Okay, I'll eat right
Don't. No. Oh, God. Do you know what's been there?
Yeah?
You sure you want to know?
Yeah, because I just swallowed it.
What's in that hole?
Ew. It's bloody pee.
Exactly.
Why is there blood in the pee?
At least I didn't eat any. He's cleaning himself.
I'm done.
There's Oscar. Sniffing his pee.
I'm embarrassed for eating pee.
Take the dog.